Just got side swiped. You can see it. The PPF took most of it, but this wheel is definitely messed up. Suspension, there's no codes, but it's gonna be a minute, guys. So get the police report. It's the Hyundai. Got side swiped. There she goes, guys. There she goes. What's going on, fam? Welcome back to Unlockable Character. I have a little bit of a negative update for you guys. Yesterday the car got sideswiped in Midtown Atlanta. I was one turn away from home, and the rear right suspension doesn't look good. The wheel got pushed in. Looks like PPF saved a lot of the paint, but the right side of the car may need to get repainted, and the suspension is going to have to get fixed. So luckily the guy had insurance. You know, the police came, we did a police report. The other guy's 100% at fault. He had failure to maintain lane. He went diagonally into the middle lane where my car was and just scraped all along. And it's just a little bit of a bummer, guys, you know, because I wanted to do a daily upload schedule. So just working through everything, you know, insurance, my neck, my shoulder, my back, my lower back is actually hurting. I'm going to go to urgent care today, get it checked out, and then just make sure everything is good. And in the meantime, I'll probably try to get a rental and continue uploading, but it'll probably not be daily. You know, as much as I want to, this might be a welcome break. And sometimes things in life happen and you really need to sit back and think about the perspective of what just happened. You know what I mean? It could have been so much worse. There were no airbags, no one got hurt. It really is not too bad in terms of damage, and it allows me to maybe just take a little bit of a step back, because I have been uploading every day. You know, you can get burned out, and you know, it's possibly a blessing in disguise. You know what I mean, guys? The car, because it'll be down, it'll be a chance for me to take the ECU out and get it tuned, so you guys will be able to see when the car is back what a tuned G82 is like. And then suspension wise, I've been meaning to do a coilover setup and some JDM wheels. And so, you know, I have some really good friends that are supporting me. I have Jabari, who owns the body shop the car is at, Omar, who is working through the claim with the insurance. I have my lawyer Gerard. He is working through, you know, what it means for a personal injury claim, and we'll also be doing a what's called a, I can't believe I'm forgetting this, diminished value claim, because I do own the car, and of course the car would be worth less. So possibly at the end of the day, you know, I might walk away with some money and the car being fine and fixed, and we'll be right back on it. But in the meantime, guys, I'll show you some footage in today's video of what happened, and I'll just look forward to probably doing more videos on things like technology, investing, life advice, career advice, relationship advice, you know, how to get that dream job. And I'll be asking, you know, my friends in the city and around the area who have really nice cars if they're open to do POV reviews. If you have a really nice car around the Atlanta area and you'd like to go for a drive with me or to do a review, or even if you want to be a better driver, definitely feel free to hit me up. But for now, guys, this is Unlockable Character. I'm signing out, but I'll be around, don't worry. And if you're in the Discord, I'll be more active than ever. All right, let's go. All right, fam, what's good? We are at a Starbucks where I was able to upload yesterday's video today, and I'm taking it easy because pretty much, you know, on vacation with my girlfriend, the most important thing really has been her volleyball tournament. So I've learned to really take things slow and relax and enjoy my time. I literally got a bunch of sun outside the Starbucks and chilled. Rear-wheel drive mode right now. No burbles on. I'm telling you, everyone in Florida drives pretty slow, but they're aggressive coming out of turns. Cars absolutely nuts here. I don't think many people drive over 60 miles an hour here, honestly. up on Miracle Strip, which is really the main road here. We're gonna go back to that island, Oskaloosa or Okaloosa Island, one of those things. When I tried to upload the video, our Wi-Fi was like 2 megabytes upload speed, and I have at home close to almost like a gigabyte. So that really helps, you know, the internet connectivity. So I actually had to go to a Starbucks to get Wi-Fi. But their Wi-Fi at the Starbucks was slower than my phone. So I tried the hotspot at home on my phone, but that was slower than the home Wi-Fi. But at Starbucks, the 5G on the phone was actually super fast, and it still took 40 minutes to upload a video, but not bad. At home, I'm not even joking, it takes less than sometimes 30 seconds to upload a video. It's a very scenic route. Beautiful houses out here. We're going southwest on Miracle Park right now. Or, ooh, is that a McLaren? Beautiful, nice. Here and there you see some pretty sweet cars here, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah. That's the shell we went to earlier. I don't think I was filming when I went to that shell though. Look at these curbs, guys. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Got some car dealerships here. Got a Kia dealership. Ford, Dodge. Oh, okay. It's pretty nice cars out there. GMC and Cadillac. I'm telling you guys, a Blackwing Cadillac would be pretty sick. Both the, I think there's a 5 and a 4, if I'm not mistaken. Woo! These roads are really nice, guys. You can tell they don't get any snow ever. This car sounds crazy down here. Honestly, it sounds insane. So you can see waterway here. Looks beautiful, little park. Got the shack. Sea breeze in. Cool to rent one of those, that'd be crazy. Tons of boats out here. Some are for sale for sure. So now we're getting closer to the bridge, guys. think the trick on the bridge is to stay in the right lane. This is kind of like a little strip of nice restaurants and places to go to. Personally, we've been going to more things that are along the boardwalk and like seafront piers. Tried a restaurant last night. I think it was called Bitterroot, and I think, you know, I feel like it's known as like a secret of Destin, but I would say it was like a 6 out of 10 experience overall, the food. So check it out. You got a tattoo shop, music hall, infinity makeup service, barbershop, salon. Cantina Burrito del Sol. We've been eating pub subs, guys, which is actually a pretty good way to, you know, get a lot of calories, but also not spend too much and have a healthy meal. So in Florida, you can find a Publix almost everywhere. And again, guys, you'll see how narrow these lanes are on the bridge. And this is the first time coming on this side. But I think this is the trick, to stay on the right side. Coming down, there's a traffic light, but people are usually slowing down just in case. Busy intersection down there. You can see it's turning yellow, now red. Check out all the boats. Big waterscape, maybe apartments, condos, maybe even like a resort over there. You can tell this place will look a lot different in like 3 years. Tom Tom is a pretty funny name for a gas station, but I've been seeing them a lot up here in the Panhandle area. And I still think it's amazing how close Destin is to Fort Walton, and just going across basically this big beach with the road across of it. And I'm telling you guys, this would be a sick map. Like, look at this. If you dropped in an online game right here, look at this map. You got Crab Island. I don't even know what that is, but Fort Walton, Crab Island, Destin. Look at that. That's amazing. So many palm trees over here. This is the Boardwalk, guys. This is where I came and parked when we had to go get the tent set up and check out the tournament. There are a lot of people here, guys. The parking situation here and also the way that people drive is just really crazy. Let's see if we can find the same spot that we came in for. It was over there. It may not be there anymore, guys. There was also a black Toyota Tacoma that was next to us. Oh, I remember that car from yesterday. That's awesome. I love that. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, sick. That Jeep was there. Let's see if he's heading out. I don't know. We shall see. But even if he's not, oh, that's a lucky break, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what, that is nice. Oh yeah, buddy. Spotted that from a mile away. That's crazy, you know? That's literally the spot that we left this morning. That is some intense timing there, guys. Don't want to get too close to that tow hook. All right, we did it. Fuck. Let's go.